Welcome to the QualiTru step-by-step proper septum and needle insertion guide. To begin, wash hands thoroughly prior to putting on personal protective gear and disposable gloves. Step 1. Remove the used septum. Remove the blue dust cover, then loosen and remove the nut. Next, remove and discard the used septum. Septum channels are not reusable. Reuse can introduce contamination into the sample. Step 2. Sanitize the inside of the port. Sanitize the inside of the TruStream stainless steel port with an approved sanitizer spray or alcohol wipes. Proper sanitation helps remove any old product or microbial residues that can contaminate the new septum. Note: if using alcohol wipes, we recommend using a two-step process with 2 clean alcohol wipes. The first is to remove any sediment, and the second is to sanitize. Step 3. Insert the new septum. Insert the new septum into the port, touching only the outside of the septum rim. Proper handling of the septum ensures no contamination of the pre-sterilized septum. If you accidentally touch the rubber part, either black or white, depending on the model, it is recommended that the septum be discarded and that a new septum be inserted. Place the nut over the septum, hand tighten the nut and then tighten 1/8 turn with a wrench. Note: the nut may need to be retightened periodically due to vibration and cleaning cycles. Step 4. Insert the needle into the septum. Swab the outer surface of the septum with an alcohol wipe or approved sanitizer. Avoid soaking the septum as this can cause the white decal to come loose and fall off. The first sample should be taken using the center hole. When inserting the needle into the center channel, push the needle straight in. The second sample should be taken from the top channel, then work your way around the septum so that the bottom channel is used last. This helps prevent issues with the septum while in use. When inserting the needle into the outer channels, face the bevel of the needle toward the outside of the septum. Needle insertion best practices. Do not force the needle into the channel of the septum. The needle should glide in smoothly. If resistance is felt, then back out the needle and try another channel. Resistance is caused by the lumen of the needle hitting the stainless steel, which can bend the needle if used with force. Do not rotate the needle when inserting it into the septum channel. Rotating the needle can remove a piece of the back rubber part, resulting in coring of the septum. The particle can end up in the sample or on the tip of the needle, blocking the flow of the sample. Do not remove the white decal on top of the septum. The white sticker shows which channels have been used and helps keep debris and contamination out. Never use a channel twice, as this can introduce contamination into the sample and the product. Discard the septum once all the channels are used, or after following your cleaning procedures. Step 5. Replace the dust cover. Replace the blue dust cover to protect the septum and reduce the risk of the white sticker from peeling off due to extra moisture. Visit our website for additional training materials, or email us at sales@qualitru.com.